Placing a component in FluidFlow can be made by any of these methods. First, by choosing a relevant component in the component palette. And another option by changing an existing component in the flowsheet to a desired component. Let's start placing a component using the Component tab. In the Component palette, users can select a component from a particular group by first clicking on the respective group tab and selecting the desired component. Once a component is selected, the cursor immediately changes to the appropriate icon as it is dropped into the desired position on the flowsheet. The cursor or pointer remains live with this icon until another is selected or the selector tool is selected. Thus, users can place more than one of the same element in the flowsheet without refreshing the cursor. Now, let's see how to change an existing component. New components can also be placed by directly changing an existing component in the flowsheet. This can be done by selecting an existing component by mouse left-click and engaging the Change Component option by mouse right-clicking. This would open the Change Component dialog box, where the user can select which element would be used as a replacement. Finally, we can see how to insert components in between pipes. Users can insert a component in an existing pipe by hovering the cursor over the pipe until the icon changes to a split cursor. Now that we know how to place components, let's take a look at how we can place free texts and shapes in a flowsheet.